Setup using plastic kit. Before installation of the plastic setup kit, it is necessary to mark the level of the setup so that it is perfectly horizontal and at the prescribed height. Prepare the rear profile to be connected by cutting it at an angle of 45 degrees. To connect individual profiles, use plastic connectors. Drill holes depending on the type of anchors used at a distance of 30 to 50 centimeters. Depending on the flatness of the substrate, choose the correct thickness of the spacers. Fasten the profile to the substrate through the spacers with the anchors. Fasten the thermal insulation boards in place, and after the adhesive mortar hardens, anchor them down. Apply a base coat mortar into which the front profile is set on the lower part of the insulating material. The arm of the front profile is 60 millimeters wide. Choose one of the three types of the rear profile depending on the thickness of the insulation material. The length of a level arm can be 50, 100, or 160 millimeters. It is possible to lengthen the front profile by using one or two lengthening profiles. The thickness of the insulation material can be up to 300 millimeters. Insert the front profile between the insulation board and the rear part and connect them at the corner with a corner connector, which is part of the package. After applying base coat mortar to the profile, continue with thermal insulation of the basement or the building foundation. Here it is necessary to choose watertight materials. To link plasters to the setup set, use a 2D reveal bead. Apply plaster and remove the breaking off strip. Install the dimpled membrane and a finishing profile. Fit the other profiles and beads, then finish the base coat, the finishing coat, and property modifications. This manner of setup is very universal and without thermal bridges.